Okay, today's video is how to replace the temperature control sensor on a 2017 Camaro SS. If you're having problems with your fan keeps running, and even when you turn the car off, the fan just continuously runs, that's your problem, is that temperature control sensor. If you pop the hood, the temperature control sensor is located on the right over here. I don't know if you can see it down there. It's got the little gold. You're gonna have to unhook this clamp first, and to get to that one down there. But unhook this first. That's easy. Just pull that out. But it's located from the front of the engine on the driver's side. Now, the first thing you have to do is pop the trunk. And there's the battery. Unhook the battery, 10 millimeter. Hit that, I believe it's a 10. I'll double check. Okay, it is 10 millimeter. You hit the battery with the 10 millimeter. Take the battery cable loose. Always want to take the battery cable loose whenever you're operating on a car. Okay, this is how you change the temperature, coolant temperature sensor on a 2017 Camaro SS. It's easy. They make it sound like it's hard. Okay, there's the sensor right there. You got to get into it. Now that's the new one. All you need is the same wrench that you use to pull the spark plug. Is all you need. This right here. Stick that on there. Take that out. It'll look like this. It'll be burnt, oxidized, or whatever you want to call it. I've already put the new one in, but that's the position for it. These are the only tools you need, is the socket in this. Stretch it down in there. Hit it with that. Change it, put the new one on. Put all your clamps back on. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Temperature control sensor for a 2017 Camaro. Okay, now once you've done all that, just a little tip. When you get ready to hook your battery back up and you get in, you're gonna have to, don't start the car, but just press the button and let the windows down. You're gonna have to let your front window down, driver's side, passenger side, then go to the back, let your back and your front down, the left and the right side down, and then you crank the car. And when you hit the car in, and you'll be good to go. Your temperature gauge will be reading, and you'll be ready to roll. If you're having problems with your fan keeps running, and even when you turn the car off, the fan just continuously runs, that's your problem, is that temperature control sensor. Now you're gonna lose a little fluid, because when you take that temperature control sensor off, it comes out. So be prepared to replace a little fluid, but that shouldn't be a problem.